see, it is bucketing down, which is fantastic for us, fantastic for the rivers. I'm on my way to, I've got it written here on my screen, but I shouldn't look at it. It's the something rather, down near Jarrah. And yeah, if it's in, it's not too high, not too low, that'll be sweet and we'll run it. Otherwise, we'll jump on Red Rocks. Same old, same old. I'm in the Steeze today, so keen to test it out. Looking for a new investment of my own, so taking Joe's for a spin. See you on the water. What a section, bit of fun, good water, still water going along, still a bit of rain, but bloody warm in comparison to Tassie and that. Yeah, lots of fun. Just done the Gudge with Owen and James and still keen for more, so Owen and I are heading to do Red Rocks. Just gonna grab some food from Woolies and then get the shuttle done.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir.
Yeah.
You get like turned around in the ditty, you get stuck in it, takes 50 roads to get out.
Unreal. That's the chasm at, we're guessing around, begin the portage. Get into it!
Shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop up. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming
Unreal. So good.